Hi guys! In last video we finished section 5, where we learned about Selenium Grid and Cloud Services. Today we are starting section number 6, Advanced Selenium WebDriver. This section brings all the topics learned in previous sections to automate a simple website. You will learn how to design an automation framework, use page object model with a working example. You will also learn how to use CI tools like Jenkins for running Selenium tests. So let's start our first video by looking at the test cases we will automate and by building new project. Let's open this page. This will be the base page of our tests. And we will have few test cases that we will need to test. Number 1. Click on Form Authentication and perform positive login test, just like we did before. And then verify correct message and URL. Number 2 and number 3. Open login page directly with its URL and perform 2 negative tests, one with incorrect username and one with incorrect password, and verify the message. And test number 4. Click on Forgot Password link, type email, push Retrieve Password button, and verify confirmation text your email being sent. This will be 4 tests that I will automate and show you example, but I suggest you add few more tests by yourself to practice. For example, click on disappearing elements, then click on Home button and verify that it returned you back to home page. Or click on Dynamic Controls, click Remove button and verify checkbox disappeared and the text says it's gone. Let's start by creating new Maven project in Eclipse. So click File, New, and select Maven project. If it's not available, click on Other, and here expand Maven and select Maven project. Select Create Simple Project, use default workspace location, and click Next. And here we need to fill some fields. Let's name our project the Internet Test Automation, and for the artifact let's use same name but with dashes instead of spaces. And click Finish. Let's copy POM.xml file from our previous project. So Ctrl+C here, Ctrl+V here. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. Let's copy our drivers. Ctrl+C and paste them in source main resources in our new project folder. And right-click, select Maven, update project. OK, and wait for project to build.